Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve YouTube error code 99999. So let's jump into it. First, restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix various issues, including this. Now check your internet network connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. Then update the YouTube TV app. Make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube TV app installed. Next, reset your device. If the issue persists, try resetting your device to clear any temporary glitches. And lastly, contact support. If none of these steps work, reach out to YouTube support for further assistance. I hope these steps help you resolve the problem. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.